That other one needs to be charged, but this one needs to be charged too, so. And I want this one more. Why is this not vaping properly? Let's see if it's charging. It's charging, but it's like not vaping. I don't know why. Oh, sorry. You guys fell. This is like not vaping at all. There's stuff in here. I don't get it. This one's not vaping at all. I don't know what's wrong with it. But it's not vaping at all. I'll just charge this one. This one's vaping. Freaking hate the flavor of this one though. I want most likely see if I can get another one of these and fill it up with what I want, because I don't like this flavor. Alright. Hold up. So nasty.